friends, it's Jackeline here. In today's video, I'm bringing you my review and swatches on the brand new Lisa Eldridge Lip Collection 2020. But before we get started, and if you're new here, I hope that you will consider and subscribe to my channel, ring the post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and come and follow me on my Instagram. And now, if you want to see all the details of this very expected collection from Lisa Eldridge, then just keep on watching. My Lisa Eldridge order has finally arrived. I mentioned it to you that no matter what, I was gonna get her new lipstick products, and they are finally here. I remember the same day that they released, it was my heart was broken in half because Victoria Beckham, the same day she launched her Posh lipsticks, and I'm like, okay, well, at least I know Victoria will have them, you know, permanent on her line. But with Lisa Eldridge, they just come once a year during October, and you know, I had it to be like, well, there's no choice right here. So I ended up getting her 4 new velvet lipsticks as well. Well, one of these is a set where it has one of her new velvet lipsticks, a lip gloss that is the first time that we're going to see lip glosses from Lisa Eldridge, as well as a lip liner. So I have them right here, and we're just going to go through swatches and all the jazz. Some of these products, they are still available at her website, whether on the sets or by singles. Some of them they have sold out, but I see, I mean, this year has been really strange for all of us for various different reasons, and some people, they are really not getting lipsticks. But as a lipstick lover, I care less if my mask gets all dirty of lipstick or not. I just use lipsticks because I love them. Okay, my friends, so here we go. I just want to show you this beautiful pouch. She actually designed it with an artist, and look how beautiful this is. This is made out of velvet too, and is embroidered with her emblem, the L and the little lips right here in golden. Now she has other 3 velvet pouches. My other velvet pouches from last year's collection, I think I gave them away. And not because I don't like them, but honestly, I don't use them that much. So I feel like, okay, these are collector pieces, but should I get it? Should I don't? And I'm just thinking, well, they sent me this red one, which I mean, it's beautiful, but I would have rather have received the blue one. The blue one looked really pretty, but anyhow, I don't think I had a choice on which one to get, or perhaps I did. I don't know. I was like rushing at least to get her velvet lipsticks, and I do have another video swatching all Lisa Eldridge lipsticks, so if you want to go ahead and watch that after you watch this, I mean, you're welcome to do so. But here you go. So let me just show to you these other velvet pouch right here. I think they are just so beautiful and very, very elegant. It's just me that I really don't use much of these little bags, but I'm gonna make my purpose to keep these 2 and for me and get them to use them. I'm gonna start with this pouch right here, and I got, like I said, all the 4 new velvet lipsticks, but on this pouch I received Velvet Affair, Velvet Carnival, and Velvet Dragon. So here are the boxes. I mean, this is very sleek, elegant, and then on the very top you're gonna find each of the shades. I mean, just the packaging is so beautiful. These lipsticks, they are made in Italy, and they have a shelf life of 18 months. Her velvet formula is a matte formula, but it's a very comfortable matte. I will have to say that perhaps the formula of Lisa Eldridge may be the best formula in the market. Okay, my friends, and now here's the other pouch. So in this pouch right here, she created kind of like different sets with her new glosses, 1 lipstick, and also a lip liner. The unfortunate thing right here is, well, the lip glosses, they were available to purchase in singles, but the lip liners, no, they were only available with a set. So I decided to go with a velvet blush set, and here you go. These are the boxes. The bigger box is for the lip gloss, then the medium box is the lipstick and then the lip liner. I mean, everything very cohesive, the design so beautiful. I mean, I just love the presentation, very feminine. I mean, so much attention. I know Lisa, she takes a full on year to create these lipsticks, and the quantities are limited. Okay, my friends, now let's go into open each of these babies right here and to swatch them all. What I should do first? Well, let me get you a little bit closer so we can go to the swatches. Let's go with Velvet Affair. Here you go. This is the bullet. I mean, consistent with her line, gold, and it's not a super shiny gold. It's kind of like a semi-matte gold. I mean, like absolutely lovely. And then it is engraved her logo right here. Let's just take it out. Oh, and by the way, these are magnetic. I mean, like, look at this packaging right here. And the magnet right here is fairly strong though. So lovely. And you have to see these. Oh my goodness. I don't know if the camera will be able to capture these, but the actual bullet of the lipstick, it looks like if it was wrapped in velvet. And really, there's no scent on these lipsticks. Next one is Velvet Carnival. Oops. Sorry, I'm doing the swatches on my hand today, but because I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt, I don't want to mess it all up. You know, this shade is prettier than what I thought. I was thinking, is this really kind of like a Barbie type of like hot pink lipstick? This is not. Next shade, Velvet Dragon. This is a gorgeous, I mean, yes, it's an orange tone, but it's such a wonderful, warm orange. And you know what? It doesn't make your teeth look, you know, like yellow. I mean, wow. Now let's move on to the little set right here of lipstick, lip gloss, and lip liner. Oh, this gets me excited. And here I have the Enhanced Define Lip Pencil in Blush. This product has a shelf life of 24 months and is made in Germany. Now, she did mention that these are there's a little bit of a tag, but I appreciate it because that way it's kind of like, I shouldn't say airtight, but at least it will not dry your lip pencil. And this is the kind that you actually sharpen. Okay, there you go. It's not that bad. Okay, here we go. This is the shade. Let's just give it a swatch. I'm gonna swatch it here on this side. There you go. Beautiful rosy tone. Okay, let's line the lips. And you know, they feel a little bit creamy, so let's see. Okay, nice. Okay, there was no tagging, no pulling. It feels creamy, but not to the extreme creaminess that you'll feel like, okay, it's gonna move all around. Beautiful formula so far. I think because of the consistency, it's not gonna be like super long wearing, but that is okay. Let's see the lipstick right here. Oh my goodness. In Velvet Blush, again, this is a new one for her line. Oh. Look at this beauty. I don't know if you remember that Gucci lipstick that came out with the Gucci bronzers that was supposed to be a rosewood shade, and it came out like to be a disaster. A disaster shade, at least for, well, shouldn't say disaster shade, but not the shade that I wanted it. This is the shade that I was looking for, this one right here. Let me just give it a swatch right here too. Now let's go for the Gloss Embrace, and then again the box, very alike to the other boxes. Everything is very cohesive as I was mentioning. And here you go, this is the lip gloss, so nice and weighty. I mean, like super elegant, just elegance. And this lip gloss is also made in Italy, and it has a shelf life, I cannot see it, I'm losing my vision. Oh my goodness me, 36 months. So that's very generous for a lip gloss, and I like that. Okay, so let's go for it and let's take a peek. I think this, okay, this is a doe foot applicator. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, let me just swatch it right here on this side. Perfect pairing. Perfect pairing right there. And you know what? I cannot perceive any scent. No scent at all. Really, Lisa? Really? She just did it. Now let's jump really quick into comparisons, and I think the best comparisons that I can give you right now, it will be basically within the other shades from Lisa Eldridge, so that way you could see whether or not the new lipstick shades are the ones for you. Okay, let's start with the one that I'm wearing, which is Velvet Lash, and I'm just gonna put it right here in the middle. And here I have Velvet Beauty. This one right here is a beauty. One of my favorite ones. I need to wear them. You know, I need to wear them more. Because they are just so beautiful. I'm all like, oh, and they are limited edition too. Sometimes I feel like, why? But you know what? I need to wear them. Okay, so up here I have again Velvet Beauty, which is a lighter tone, also within that rosy tone. And then let's go here for Velvet Muse. This is also a fabulous, beautiful shade. I think, I mean, perhaps more into the family of this new one, Velvet Blush. There you go. Definitely the new one, Velvet Blush, is a little bit more intense, more deep, which is fabulous for this time of the year and all year round too. I mean, this shade, it's just so feminine, so gorgeous. Now let's try Velvet Affair. A little bit stain my hand. Oh my. There you go. This is a very neutral tone. And then I have one of my beloved shades, Velvet Fawn. Oh, this shade right here. Gorgeous too. Let's put it up top. A lot lighter and even cooler in tone, I will say. Yeah, cooler in tone. Now let's go for Velvet Carnival, which it has taken me by surprise. I really enjoy this shade. I never thought to say something like that. I wish to see also a deeper, more like, I don't know, like a violet tone. But I mean, like this shade right here is incredible too. Let me show it to you against Skyscraper Rose. Now this right here is another formula. It's not your Velvet Matte. This came out, I think it was summer of last year. I mean, same family, but this one right here is a lot more vibrant. Skyscraper Rose, yeah, a lot more vibrant. There you go. There you go. And then as far as Velvet Dragon goes, there's nothing like it within the line of Lisa Eldridge. Completely zero, nothing. Well, Lisa Eldridge, she did it again. I mean, I'm speechless because honestly, Lisa, she has been able to create an outstanding, beautiful matte formula on her velvet lipsticks. The color, the payoff, the pigmentation, the opacity, the comfort on the lips. If you have, I mean, we all have lines on our lips. They do not, I mean, this formula really does not emphasize those fine lines. It's not drying, it's still nourishing. I mean, the formulation is magnifique. And I mean, the two newest products in the sense of formulation from Lisa is her new Gloss Embrace lip glosses and also her lip pencils. And I will have to say, outstanding formula here too. This one right here doesn't feel sticky. This one right here glides on with easy, but without being too soft that it would just go all over the place, or too dry that it will actually hurt your lips, because believe me, I have tried everything under the rainbow. Some lip liners that they are just painful to apply. This one right here, beautiful. If you want me to give you kind of like a comparison to which lip liner to expect, that perhaps a little bit close to the formula of Charlotte Tilbury. Yeah, like that. That is creamy but not tagging, and yet that it glides on beautifully. And then as far as the lip gloss, wow, they are not as thick as, for example, a Wayne Goss lip gloss. They are in the thin consistency of perhaps the Hourglass glosses. There you go. That's as far as I can tell you, but these have more pigmentation, so you can use this lip gloss like directly and it will give you that full pigment on your lips. Honestly, wonderful products right here. I'm just super happy that I was able to pick them up all. I wish to have been able to pick up actually all the lipstick sets that they came with their respective gloss and lip pencils, but oh boy, that would be a little bit too expensive for me. So well, oh well. I wish she can come out with the lip pencils, you know, like to purchase in singles. I would have really appreciated it, mostly to pair it with shades like, for example, Velvet Dragon or Velvet Carnival. That would have been amazing to, you know, had that option to buy the lip pencil with the actual lipstick. But anyhow, my friends, I think this makes it right here for this video. I would love to know from you, have you picked up any of the lipsticks from Lisa Eldridge? Which shades have you got? Which are your favorite ones? How are you liking the formula? Let's start the conversation down below. And while you're at it, and if you haven't done so yet, I just think you're waiting too long. I hope that you will give me an opportunity and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. And also come and follow me on my Instagram. It will be lovely if we can stay connected right there. I keep you posted of new makeup releases, give you close-up images of the products that I'm reviewing, and a lot more. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, share with family and friends so our family can grow. Until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.